11 reasons why you should avoid curry leaves. Today, we're delving into the world of curry leaves. Curry leaves, revered in many cuisines, may seem like a harmless addition to your dishes. It is even considered a natural plant medicine. But, before you toss them into your next dish, hold that thought. So why curry leaves might not be as healthy as you thought they were? Stick around to find out. Reason 1. Curry leaves are loaded with fiber. Some people experience stomach upset, bloating, or discomfort after consuming curry leaves. This is because consuming too much fiber can lead to digestive health issues in some individuals. So, if you feel such irritation in the stomach, it's advisable to limit your intake of curry leaves. Moreover, too much fiber can slow digestion, so your stomach does not absorb as much of some nutrients, which can lead to mineral deficiencies. Reason 2. Curry leaves are rich in iron. But we often overlook that excess iron consumption can lead to iron overload, a condition that can damage your organs. The iron content in curry leaves is so high that it can cause you to have stomach aches if consumed excessively. Reason number 3. There's a thought that high antioxidants can lead to oxidative stress. Curry leaves have high antioxidant content, and such imbalance can potentially lead to chronic diseases, including cancer and heart disease. Foods high in potassium, including curry leaves, are unhealthy for people with kidney problems when consumed in large amounts. Reason number 4. Curry leaves are also known to lower blood sugar levels. Overconsumption could cause hypoglycemia, a condition characterized by abnormally low blood sugar, leading to dizziness, fatigue, and even fainting. If you're managing your blood sugar levels, listen up. Some studies suggest that curry leaves could interfere with diabetes medications, causing unexpected fluctuations in your blood sugar levels. Reason 5. Certain compounds in curry leaves can lead to allergic reactions in some people. Symptoms could range from swelling, difficulty breathing, rashes, and itching. Individuals with hypersensitivity to certain foods may need to monitor their intake of curry leaves to avoid any adverse effects. Take precautions while giving curry leaves to small children and older adults. Because due to their weak immune systems, they might develop allergic reactions in their body. Reason 6. Curry leaves may interfere with certain medications, particularly those involving heart disease and blood pressure. High blood pressure concerns? Research studies demonstrated that the extract of curry leaves effectively reduces high blood pressure, similar to the action of amlodipine, a blood pressure-lowering drug. However, if you are on blood pressure medication, it's important to consult your doctor before adding curry leaves to your diet. Moreover, curry leaves might not be your best bet if you have low blood pressure, as excessive consumption might further lower your blood pressure levels. Reason 7. They are known to induce sleep due to their sedative properties. Consuming them late in the day might lead to excessive drowsiness, thereby interfering with your daily routine and productivity. Reason 8. Curry leaves have a potent aroma and flavor. Curry leaves are bitter with a strong, pungent smell. Therefore, overuse can overpower the taste of your dish, masking other flavors and ruining the balance of your recipe. Reason 9. Are you pregnant? For pregnant women, curry leaves are said to possess abortifacient properties. This means they could potentially induce abortion or premature labor. So it may be wise to avoid them during pregnancy. While curry leaves are not typically harmful, pregnant individuals should consult with their healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes. Reason 10. Some researchers believe that curry leaves may be used to maintain dental health. On the other hand, chewing raw curry leaves might also lead to staining of teeth in some cases. Eating curry leaves will give your teeth a yellow color stain. Maintaining good dental hygiene can help mitigate this issue. So, make sure you brush your teeth and tongue immediately after eating curry leaves. Reason 11. Curry leaves may not be healthy for individuals with autoimmune conditions, such as lupus or vasculitis. For people with autoimmune conditions, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet, including the regular consumption of curry leaves. In conclusion, curry leaves are not inherently harmful. They can be a healthy addition to your diet when used appropriately. But as with any food, it's crucial to understand the potential risks associated with excessive consumption. Remember, moderation is key. As always, thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Have you experienced any health-related issues with curry leaves? Share your thoughts in the comments below.